Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Rowserworld. Today what we're going to be doing is a quick cartoon drawing of Patrick Mahomes. So we're going to first of all break out our little pencil here. What I like to do is use a little crosshair line here. This will kind of tell me the angle of the face, and then this will tell me where how wide I want my face to go. My ears will always be connected to this line right here, so that's no matter which way the head is turning in space. Alright, so now guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. So we're going to draw our first shape here. Okay, we're just going to keep it nice, easy, and simple. Okay, just like that. And then we'll add a little hair here like this, a little stubble on the chin. And then over here, we're gonna just we're gonna add our ear shape here, just like so. Before I started this particular picture, I tried to draw another photo of him, and I just couldn't. I just didn't like the way it was coming out, and then it dawned on me that when you have if you try drawing a picture and when you try drawing it and it won't come out right, you might want to consider changing the angle. So in other words, finding a picture with a different angle, because sometimes all faces don't caricature, or all pictures can't be converted to caricature. I find that to be something noteworthy of sharing with you. Okay, so I really like the way this one is coming out. It has it has more to grab onto, is what I'm saying. So that's why I like this picture. We're just drawing Patrick Mahomes on the sideline here. We know that's not where he's at in the game, but for right now, he's already blown out the opposition, and he's on the bench smiling because his job's done for the day. Okay, and now back here we'll draw like another little shape, right? But back here, notice how I use thinner lines, right? Because I want this to be the forefront, the rear, and then this. So this is going to be the most powerful shape here. So that's why I use those thicker lines. Now we're going to go ahead here and we're going to add the eyebrows. So this is when I go to my boot shape. I like the way that came out there, so we're just going to bring that around here. Okay. Now let's go ahead and add our eye shape here. Okay. Okay. I always like to use a suggestive line in my eye shapes, and what that means is, see how I kind of use a broken line down there, because sometimes you don't want to put a regular line there, would be too powerful. So he doesn't have a big nose, but he has a powerful nose, you know. So we're going to use that, and then we're going to go ahead and draw his smile. And some little hairs here for his little mustache. Okay. And now I'm just going to put like his little, the hoodie. arms will kind of go about right here. And now we're going to cap off this pin here. I want to go ahead and start erasing my center line. I'm gonna have to try to make all this fit in, so I will though. We can just put Chiefs right here. Alright, now guys, let's take our gray marker here, and I'm going to use it to do a little bit of shadow work on the eyes here. I like using my gray because it helps me to build dimension in my drawing. You see how everything's starting to look a little bit more 3D when you use these. By the way, guys, I encourage any constructive criticism. You know, sometimes when I draw, I may not, someone may see something they could have done differently, and in which case I always welcome your suggestions and comments, so long as done tastefully. There's a way to say everything, right? Though Rouser's feelings get hurt too, sometimes. Alright, so we're just about done with our Patrick Mahomes here. We're just finishing up our last little shading. And now for one of my favorite parts of the drawing, and this is going to really make this drawing stand out, is when I add the darks to the drawing. So I use a big poster marker, and then I just kind of darken in certain little aspects of the picture I want to stand out. Okay? In other words, I'm directing your eyes to where I want them to go. Now over here, remember we said this is going to be our most dominant piece of the drawing, right? So we're just going to draw or scribble. Can you hear my scribble? I like that sound sometimes. So I'm just scribbling in and establishing my dominant shape. What's the dominant shape in your hair? I don't have any hair, so I don't have a dominant shape. Yeah. I used to have hair just like Patrick Mahomes. Then it fell out. Alright, so back here, if we used a dark right there, it makes sense to go a little bit lighter back here. And I'm going to even go darker on that first layer here, but I want to get his haircut established first, so we're just kind of going to go around all the way to the back here, just like that. Okay, and then look, I'll take this pen here. Now this is like a thin marker, so what I'll do here is I'll give them a little fade. These markers come in good for fading at the end. You just kind of scribble along the end. You just have to make it blend in. Blending is just something that comes with practice. Let me use another black marker here. And remember I told you I'm going to darken this part in here. So let's go ahead and do it. Yes, I like. Okay. You can see how the shape just kind of goes all the way around the back there. And looking great. Alright, so the last shading part will be where we kind of shade in the headphones here. And let me see here. Cool. And I think we're just about done, guys. This is the last little piece right here. Oh, Patrick Mahomes. Very talented young man. Talented. And he's smart. You know how I know he's smart? Because he combined his home and auto with State Farm. Boom, boom. Alright, so guys, we're done. I want to thank you for watching this video and tutorial. We'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. If you'd like to see your favorite person drawn, your favorite celebrity drawn, and you want them to be a cartoon, I think I might be able to help you out with that. Just leave a comment in the comment section. Also, guys, don't forget to share, and please also don't forget to subscribe. We really would appreciate it. Alright, guys, so I guess the last thing to do is just to put the name here, so we'll just put Patrick Mahomes, former Red Raider, NFL stud, Patrick Mahomes, guys. Put my name down here. And I'll be seeing you guys next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. It's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these two super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.